In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Microsoft To Do to Notion using Zapier. This tutorial will guide you through the easy integration process step by step, ensuring that you can efficiently manage your tasks across these platforms. First, to begin this integration, you'll need to use a tool called Zapier. It's a powerful service that helps you automate tasks between different applications. So assuming you already have a Zapier account, start by logging in. Once you're in your dashboard, you're going to want to look for the option that says Plus Create, which is prominently displayed. Now after clicking on Plus Create, you'll be led to a section where you can see Zaps. Think of Zaps as a bridge connecting two applications to interact with each other based on specific triggers. Click on Zaps and let's dive in further. In this next step, you'll need to set up a trigger, an event that gets the whole integration process going. Click on Trigger, and then in the search bar that follows, type in Microsoft To Do. This will let Zapier know that we want to monitor this application for changes. As you type Microsoft To Do, you'll notice various trigger events appearing on the right side. We want to select New Task as our trigger event. Whenever a new task is created in Microsoft To Do, it will trigger the workflow in Zapier. With new task selected, hit the continue button to move forward. You'll be presented with a drop down menu under list. This is where you can specify which list you want to monitor for new tasks. Choose the list that fits your needs, and for this example, let's select task and then hit continue again. Now it's time to connect the other side of the bridge. Look for action, which will define what happens when a new task is created in Microsoft To Do. We'll select Notion from the list of available applications. After selecting Notion, you'll be presented with the action event options. Select Create Database Item so that each new task from Microsoft To Do is added as an item in your Notion database. Once you've made your selection, hit Continue. Now filling in the required fields is crucial. This ensures that the data from Microsoft To Do is accurately reflected in Notion. Complete these fields according to your preferences and requirements and press Continue. Finally, review everything to make sure it's all set up correctly. Once you've confirmed that all the details are in place, activate your Zap by turning it on. This simple action connects Microsoft To Do and Notion through Zapier, allowing them to work together effortlessly. And there you have it, a complete integration between Microsoft To Do and Notion, creating a powerful workflow to keep you organized. By following these steps, you can now enjoy synchronized task management across both platforms, boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.